They take Donte Jackson, the kid who said he was going to run the fastest 40 in NFL history, did not run the fastest 40 in NFL history, but still a talented corner. I'm a little worried about how he's going to actually cover more physical wide receivers like a Julio Jones in the NFL.
I'm actually not a big fan of Donte Jackson. He's fast. We know that. He ran a 4.32 40-yard dash. He can absolutely fly. He doesn't have the best ball skills. 4 interceptions, 20 pass breakups. Yeah, he's got track star speed. He's a nickel. He is not physical enough and has super short arms. He's not going to hold up against bigger outside wide receivers. Can play some free safety. Maybe he's not good enough a tackler. Plays too aggressive at times. Maybe he's Leotis McKelvin. Maybe that's his comp.
That's not a good comp.
He's undersized. Yeah, he's fast. He's not a great tackler. I don't love this pick. I am not that high on Donte Jackson. Speed is his best asset. When that goes away, he's not going to last in the NFL. I hope I'm wrong. He is number 13 among corners on my big board. Number 121. I don't even think he's the best corner in the state of Louisiana.
I feel like
this year.
I feel
We'll get to him later. Don't worry.
I feel like every year the Bucs do this, where they reach for a guy in the draft, or the Panthers, excuse me, where they reach for a guy in the draft that just is not, just isn't in this range. It's kind of like Bill Belichick with safeties, but this I feel like this Panthers team does this every single year.
I thought they were going to take somebody here. They're all looking for some more nickel corner help. That's what Donte Jackson can be. I just don't love this selection here for the Panthers. I am not a big fan of Donte Jackson. I love his speed. All right. I was a little low on Trey White last year. I don't think Donte Jackson is all that good. I have some real concerns this year. That's my concern there. The upside is there speed-wise, but he's undersized arms. I have some real concerns about Donte Jackson going forward.
Donte Jackson going to pick 55 to the Panthers.